Hello everyone, welcome to all. In this session we will discuss about various business and job opportunities. So let us start. Now what is the time when we have to switch from business to job or from job to business? So these are two different things. Some people are doing business and they want to enter in a job, and some people are doing jobs and they are interested to enter in a business. But most of the people don't know at which time they have to switch into another field. So today we will discuss about it. Now, what is the difference between job and business, and how can you determine that which field is suitable for you? So there are two options. One is business and one is job. If you want a secure money at the end of the month, then job is suitable. And if you are adventurous and looking for higher opportunities, then you should go for a business. For security reasons, job is suitable, and for larger and biggest opportunities, business is suitable. So both are very important. Now let us take an example of a graduate person. He graduated from a certain stream. Now he is looking whether he should go in a business or a job. So what should he do? Some people started to think for a business in the starting, but this is also very risky. First you have to learn how business runs. For this you should have to do a job at a certain field which is suitable to you. After doing a job and after taking an experience of 6 months, 2 years, 5 years and so on, after you can go for your business. At the point where you decided that you have to go in a business instead of job, then what will happen? There is a confusion. There will be a no security of money in business as it is in job. So both are very important. If you are looking for a security for a certain amount of money at the end of month, then job is suitable. Otherwise business is very helpful. So both the things are. For large opportunities, business is suitable, and for small savings and to fulfill your job and to satisfy and to fulfill your needs, small needs, jobs is suitable. So both are important. Now what I am saying, that if you go from business to job or job to business, at what time you have to switch, this is very important and this is very crucial part. For this your mind should be clear that whether you want good opportunities or a security. This is the main important point. I repeat, what do you want? A larger opportunities or a security? So if you are looking for a secure money, then job is suitable. And if you wanna larger opportunities, broad opportunities, then business is suitable. Both are different fields and it depends on your choice. We cannot say that job is good or business is good. It depends on the person according to their interest. So the more I want to say that There are two types of people: those who wants to do something and those who don't want to do anything. So after completing the graduation, if you don't want to do anything, then sit at home, and the next thing is do something, either do a job or do a business. But in the starting you cannot jump into the business. Why? Because for this also there is need of certain experience, and such type of experience you will get from a job. So as per my opinion, you should go for a job first. Even you are interested in business, then look at what is the market is going on, what type of market is going on, how they are working, and then jump into the business. This is the one point. But some people are extraordinary, they have certain type of extraordinary skills, so they can easily go for a business. But for a, I am again saying, secure money, you can go for a small type of job. So both things are important, job as well as business. And if you want to be your own boss, then business is suitable. If you want a decent life, a stable life, then you can go for a job. And if you want for an ups and downs, adventurous life, then you can go for a business. So both the things are important, and you can go in any of the field. It's your choice. So that's for all today. Thanks.